everyone. Today we are learning Shona greetings used in Zimbabwe.
Hi Tari, I'm ready to learn Shona greetings.
Oh, yes, let's learn together.
Right. I'm excited to greet people in Shona.
In Shona, we say Mhoro when greeting one person. But we say Mhoroyi when greeting two people or more. We also say Mhoroyi when greeting someone older than you as a sign of respect.
Mhoro, Tari. Good job, Mia. Mhoro means hello.
When greeting many people, we can also say Kwaziwai and Kwaziwa for one person. Kwaziwai is also used as a sign of respect when greeting someone older than you.
Kwaziwai, teacher Tari.
Well done, Leah. Kwaziwai is respectful. Another respectful way of greeting in Shona is Makadii, meaning how are you? When greeting without showing respect, you say Wakadii. Wakadii is also used when greeting one person.
Wakadii Mia?
Brilliant, Olu. It's Wakadii because you are greeting one person. Ndiribo, Olu meaning I am fine.
Mia, to reply, Olu, you could also say, Ndiripo Wakadii wo iwe.
That means I am fine. What about you? Wakadii is friendly and casual of greeting in Shona.
Muriwadi here. Uribho, meaning we are fine or okay.
Muriwadi here also means how are you? When asking one person, you say Uriwadi here, also meaning how are you?
Uriwadi.
Herelia.
Ndiribo. Great job, Olu and Leah.
You are conversing in Shona! Ndeipi wangu.
Ndeipi yako iwe Mia.
Great response, Leah, but this greeting is informal and for friends only. This Shona slang simply means, how are you, mate? Shona learning warriors, these are some of the ways to greet people in Shona. Now tell us in the comments below which Shona greeting is your favorite and why. Enjoy learning Shona? Like, share, and subscribe to the Shona Squad for fun lessons every week.